Thank you guys watching my videos and subscribe to my channel. Please like and comment. So today my topic is why Aruba ClearPass is required in every network. Why company are investing in NAC. Today almost every enterprise, bank, hospital, IT company is installing the Aruba ClearPass. But why? Why company investing lakhs and crores of rupees in NAC solution? Is it really necessary or just another security product? In this video, I will explain step by step why Aruba ClearPass is required in modern networks and why most companies cannot survive without it. In the real problem in modern networks, let's understand the real problem first. In old network, if you plug a laptop into a LAN port, you get IP address immediately. That means anyone inside the building can connect to the internal networks. This creates major risks: unauthorized access, data theft, malware spread, ransomware attack, insider threats. Today, threats are not only for outside hackers. Most attacks happen from inside the networks. This is the where Aruba ClearPass comes into the picture. Aruba ClearPass network access control solution. It controls who connect, who can connect, what device can connect, what they can connect, and what access level they get. It works using AAA authentication, authorization, and accounting. Before giving access, ClearPass verify identity. Next, one more point for the Aruba ClearPass. Why every network needs IT? Strong identity-based access. ClearPass ensured only authentic user trusted devices can access the network. If credentials are wrong, access is denied. Second must point, device profiling and visibility. ClearPass can detect laptop, mobile, printers, IP phone, IoT devices. You get complete visibility of the connected to the networks. Prevent unauthorized devices. If someone plug unknown laptop into the office port, ClearPass block it or assign restricted VLANs. This protect internal data. One more feature about Aruba ClearPass: zero trust security model. Modern companies follow zero trust security. That means they never trust any device automatically. Every device must prove identity before access. ClearPass support zero trust architecture. One more feature: stop internal threats. Even if attacker is inside building, ClearPass prevent in lateral movement. It reduces risk of ransomware spread. One more feature is compliance requirement. In banking, finance, healthcare, and government sector, NAC is mandatory of compliance. Audit team require user log, device log, access tracking. ClearPass provide full accounting log through the inside. Centrally policy control. With ClearPass, you can define policies like employee VLAN 10, access, guest access only for internet, IT admin full access, non-compliant device should be in quarantine mode. Everything controlled by centrally. Why companies are investing in? Companies are installing ClearPass because cyber attacks are increasing every year. One data breach can cost millions of rupees. Compared to that, NAC is a small investment. Also, remote work, BOID, and IoT devices are increasing risk. Without NAC, network become open playground. In 2026, identity-based security is the future. Traditional VLAN-based security is not enough. ClearPass enables zero trust security, dynamic segmentation, role-based access, policy enforcement. If you learn Aruba ClearPass and NAC deeply, if you become a network security engineer, NAC specialist, security engineer, demand is increasing globally. So now understand why Aruba ClearPass is required in a modern network. It's not optional anymore. It's a critical infrastructure security. Without NAC, internal network is vulnerable. With NAC, you are gain control, visibility, compliance, and protection. If you want to more real enterprise level security knowledge, to subscribe to my channel and please comment. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.